Baka naman nandun ka sa school, hindi ka naman nagde-deodorant, ano naman ang amoy mo niyan? Baka naman nandun ka sa school, hindi ka naman nagtututbrush, ano naman ang hininga mo niyan? Hey guys! Hey YouTube! Hey Matt Talkers! This is Kuya Matt and you're watching Matt Talks. Marami sa atin nag-iisip kung bakit ba parang wala nagkakagusto sa atin, bakit parang feeling natin na hindi tayo gusto ng ibang tao. Actually, the reason why I'm here is because I want to give you some tips and ideas kung paano ba magkakaroon ng gusto ang isang tao sa'yo. Pero, it should start with yourself. Alright, so let's watch this. Number 1, kasi hindi mo inaayos ang sarili mo. Ano ibig sabihin? 3 factors. Number 1, emotional. Dapat inaayos mo ang sarili mo emotionally, meaning you are emotionally matured. Second, dapat lagi kang presentable sa harap ng maraming tao. Hindi yung parang akala mo yung lagi kang bagong gising o lagi kang gusgusin. Dapat isipin mo na dapat presentable ka at maayos kang tignan sa paningin ng lahat. Pangatlo, education. Wag mong ipagpapalit ang education mo sa temporaryong nararamdaman mo. Dapat ipakita mo that you're focused on your career, ipakita mo na focus ka sa pag-aayos sa sarili mo and you are emotionally matured. Then definitely, if you do that, what will happen is other people will be attracted to you because they will see something different in you. Pangalawa, katulad nung panguna, focus on improving yourself. You won't stop making yourself better every day. Maliliit na steps man yan, pero kapag pinagsama mo, bulto pa rin yan. Dapat ganun ang gawin mo. Never stop improving yourself in all aspects para makita nila that you are actually a better person. Pangatlo, na lagi ko sinasabi sa mga previous videos ko, maintain a high level of hygiene. Baka naman nandun ka sa school, hindi ka naman nagde-deodorant, ano naman ang amoy mo niyan? Baka naman nandun ka sa school, hindi ka naman nagtututbrush, ano naman ang hininga mo niyan? Diba? So, ang ibig sabihin, dapat when we talk about high level of hygiene, dapat lagi mong nililinis ang sarili mo. Bilang isang Pilipino, alam naman natin na mga Pilipino, dapat laging malinis sa katawan para hindi natin ikahihiya pag may kasama tayong ibang tao. Kung kailangan mo mag-deodorant ka. Kung kailangan mo mag-toothbrush ka. As long as you're maintaining a high level of hygiene, that is actually a good point. Pang-apat, love yourself. Before loving others, love yourself first. Dapat maintindihan mo sa sarili mo that you cannot give love on other people o dun sa taong gusto mo kung hindi mo muna minamahal ang sarili mo. You should learn how to love yourself. You should learn paano mahalin ang pagkatao mo, kung anong dapat mong gawin, kung paano ka mag-i-improve. Because by loving yourself, then definitely, you can actually give that love to other people. Ganun naman yun eh. You cannot give something that you don't have. But if you have love with yourself, then you can give it to others. Alam ko marami pang reasons kung bakit somehow may hindi nagkakagusto sa atin. Pero I believe that this is just, the important points na gusto kong i-share sa inyo para matulungan kayo na mas mag-improve, para mas matulungan kayo na magkaroon ng kagustuhan ng ibang tao sa inyo. But then again, guys, don't focus on that. Focus on yourself. The point is, always focus first on your studies, yourself, your family, and the rest darating yan sa'yo. I hope guys, may natutunan kayo dito. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell button below. Again, this is your Kuya Matt. Thank you for watching and peace.